One of the questions that I often receive in interviews and conversation with clients is, how do I love myself? Because not everybody have the same problem. Some people are having difficulties because they lack confidence of self-worth. Other people are just very judgmental and they're hard on themselves, or they self-sabotage their lives and their efforts. There are people that get stuck with forgiveness and they cannot move on and really forgive themselves. Others have just lost their voice and they don't know how to stand up and ask for what they want or express their desires because maybe they have even forgotten what they are. Then that's the reason why I have created this workshop, Fall in Love with Yourself. And I also work one-on-one with clients, but I love this group setting where we can learn from each other, not only from me as a trainer. There you will select exactly what are the areas of self-love that are more difficult for you. And we will focus on that. Then it's going to be a group setting with an individual customized experience for you, really devoting attention to let go, to release, to improve, all that that is happening in your life that doesn't allow you to have the level of fulfillment, success, and happiness that you are really looking for. The groups are small. I coach every participant. We are going to do many things together, but it's a practical, experiential workshop. It's not a class where I'm going to be lecturing you about things. You will have the opportunity to really work on improving the level of self-love. And when you finish, you will have an action plan. You will know exactly what to do, what are the steps that you want to take in order to change your life and transform the most important relationship that you will ever have, the relationship with yourself. I'm waiting for you. Register for the workshop. I'll see you there.